bombastic side-eye, criminal offensive side-eye.
Napibo ang
Hello everyone, let me introduce my mother. My mother name is Nia Yulia. I call her Mama. She is 40 years old. She is housewife. She is like cooking and traveling. She favorite food is liquid rice, chili sauce, and fresh vegetables. My mother is my best friend and I can share everything with her. In every step of my life, she is always supports and encourages me. Maybe that's all the introduction. Thanks for your attention and bye!